This is a review of a Peter Atwood first production run, raw bar finished, CPM S35V stainless steeled, Element 115 multi-tool. Features include 5 SAE wrench sizes, which are 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8/16 of an inch. Also has a 1/4 inch hex hole, which can be used as a wrench or a bit holder for Phillips flathead and Torx bits. This tool has what's known as hex indents on each side for grip. One of the main features of this tool is the pry tip, which triples as a screwdriver and scraper as well. Measurements include 3 inches by 5/32 of an inch, and depending on where you measure the width, it ranges from 1 inch to about 1/2 an inch. The texture of the raw bar finish is really nice. It's similar to like an orange peel, very grippy. It's a pretty overall good multi-tool just for anything that you'll encounter in like an urban environment on a day-to-day basis. If you can find one, I suggest picking it up. It's definitely worth the money. The material and craftsmanship is superb. Has a 550 paracord lanyard. It's got a pretty nice weight to it, being that it's made out of stainless steel rather than titanium. It's not too light, not too heavy. Thanks for watching.